morning, students. Class 9th. Next topic is laws of exponent for real number. So, in this topic, we will discuss the various laws of exponent for the real number. So, let A be any real number and n be any positive integer. Then the nth root of A is represented by this symbol, that is under the square root we will write the real number, and in the square root symbol we will write the positive integer n. So nth root of A is equals to A whole power 1 upon n. This is read out as the nth root of the real number A, where A is greater than 0. Similarly, let A be the any real number and m and n be the integer such that m and n have no common factor other than 1 and n is greater than 0, then a raised to the power m by n can be written as a raised to the power 1 by n whole power m. As in exponent, you know that power on power will be multiplied. So this m by n can be written as 1 by n whole power m. So power will be multiplied. So again a raised to the power 1 by n, if multiply by m, then it can be written as m by n. So a raised to the power m by n can be written as a raised to the power 1 by n whole power m. Now a raised to the power 1 by n, this is the nth root of a, which can be expressed as nth root of a whole raised to the power m, and this can be written as nth root of a raised to the power m. So we will discuss these two concepts with some examples. So let us take some examples to understand these two concepts. Let us suppose on the first case, on the basis of nth root of a, let we have to find the value of cube root of 2. Then how we will write? The cube root of 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. If we remove this radical sign, then the integer which is written in this radical sign will be written as 1 upon n. So cube root of 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, if we have to find the value of 4 whole power 3 by 2, then we can write 4 whole power 3 by 2 as 4 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 3, because power on power is multiplied. So this 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into 3. Now this can be written as 4 raised to the power 1 by 2 whole power 3. Now if we write this 4 on the base of 2, then this can be written as 2 power 2 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 3. So again see, 2 raised to the power 2, so power on power will be multiplied. So 2 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2. This 2 say 2 will be cancel out. So this will be equals to 2 raised to the power 3, and 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 is multiply itself 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2, it will be equals to 8. So in this way, using the concept of a raised to the power m by n, this can be written as a raised to the power 1 by n whole power m, and this can be written as nth root of a whole power m, and which can be written as nth root of a raised to the power m. So, if we have to find the value of 4 raised to the power 3 by 2, then we can write the 3 by 2 as 1 by 2 into 3. Now, these are the 2 power on 4. So, we can write this as 4 raised to the power 1 by 2 whole power 3. Now, if we express 2 in the power of 2, then 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 3. So, here see 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 1 by 2. So, power on power again it will be multiplied. So, 2 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled out. So, 2 raised to the power 1, that is 2, and whole power 3. So, 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8. So, in this way we can apply this concept, that is first one is the nth root of a, where a is any real number, and second when a is any real number and mn be the two integer having no common factor other than 1, then a raised to the power m by n can be written as nth root of a whole power m, then nth root of a can be written as in this form whole power m. Now this can be written as nth root of a raised to the power m. Now third case, the laws of exponent. So laws of exponent means let a be any real number greater than 0, m and n be any integer, then first a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. When base are the same and power are different, then the power will be added, that is a raised to the power m plus n. This is the first law of exponent. See, a be any real number, m and n be any integer, then a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. That is base are same and power are different, then power will be added. Second law, when let us suppose a power m whole power n, when base is the same and power on power, then power will be multiplied, that is a raised to the power m into n. Third law, when a raised to the power m whole upon a raised to the power n, then if m is greater than n, then it can be written as a raised to the power m minus n if m is greater than n. Similarly, a raised to the power m whole upon a raised to the power n will be equals to 1 upon a raised to the power n minus m if n is greater than m. So this is the first law. When base are same, power are different, then power will be added. Second, base is a, power m whole power n, then power on power, power will be multiplied. Third case, when a power m is divided by a power n, base are the same and quantities are in division form, then a raised to the power m minus n if m is greater than n, and a power m whole upon a power n will be equals to 1 upon a raised to the power n minus m if n is greater than m. Next law, fourth one, when the base are different and multiplication form, let us suppose a and b be the two real number and whole power m, then a power m into b power m. Fifth one, if a be any real number and the whole power is 0, then the power of any number is always equals to 1. So these are the some basic laws of exponent. Now we will discuss some problem. So application on laws of exponents. That is, first simplify 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. Here see, the base are same and power is different. So we will use here, since a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n, implies that 2 raised to the power, here base are same and quantities are in multiplication, so power will be added. So 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, base is 2, exponent is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It can be written as 2 raised to the power, taking LCM 3, so 2 plus 1, that is 2 raised to the power 3 upon 3. So this will be cancel out, so 2 raised to the power 1, that is equals to 2. So in this way, when the base are same and power are different, then power will be added. Next, some more examples. Question number 2nd, if we have to find 3 raised to the power 1 upon 5 whole power 4. See which basic law we will use. Base is 2, first power is 1 upon 5, then whole power is 4. So we know that a power m whole power n, then it will be equals to a raised to the power m into n. That is, power on power will be multiplied. अगर पावर के ऊपर पावर है, then power will be multiplied. So this will be equals to 3 raised to the power 1 upon 5 into 4. So it will be equals to 3 raised to the power 4 upon 5. This is your answer. Next one. Find the value of 64 whole power 1 by 2. So how we can write 64 in power? It can be written as 8 square whole power 1 by 2. Now power on power will be multiplied. So 8 power 2 into 1 by 2. See, this 2 will be cancelled out. So remaining 8 power 1, that is equals to 8. Next question. Solve the value of 32 whole power 1 upon 5. How we can write the 32? 32 can be written as 2 power 5, because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See, 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32. So whole power 1 by 5. Now how we can write this one as 2 raised to the power 5 and whole power 1 upon 5. Now power on power will be multiplied. So it will be equals to 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 upon 5. 5 से cancel हो जाएगा. So remaining is 2 raised to the power 1, that is equals to 2. So in this way, using power on power will be multiplied. That's second law of exponent. We can solve the given problem. So next, see, next is solve fourth one, 125 whole power 1 upon 3. Now how we can write 125 in the whole power 3? We can write 125 as 5 into 5 whole power 1 upon 3 as it is. Now see, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 raised to the power 3 whole power 1 upon 3. So here a raised to the power m whole power n will be a raised to the power m into n, implies that pi power 3 into 1 upon 3, 3 से 3 cancel, so remaining pi power 1, that is 5. Next question. Question number 5. 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. How we will solve 9 raised to the power 3 by 2? See here, this 9 is the base and 3 by 2 is the exponent. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3 whole power 3 upon 2. So this 3 can be written 3 square whole power 3 by 2 can be written 1 by 2 into 3. So 3 power 2 into 1 by 2 whole power 3. This power on power, this will be multiplied, keeping 3 as out. So 2 will be cancelled out. So remaining is 3 power 3. So it will be equals to 3 into 3 into 3. That will be equals to 27. Some more examples. So these are the application of nth root of any real number, then a raised to the power m by n, that is nth root of a की power m, and then some basic laws of exponent. We are doing the problem. So let's take some more example. So sixth one, 16 whole raised to the power 3 by 4. Then how we will find the value of this? So this 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole power 1 upon 4 into 3. So this can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 whole power 1 by 4 into 3. Now see, power on power. So power will be multiplied. So 2 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4 into 3. This 4 will be cancelled out. That is 2 raised to the power 3. And 2 raised to the power 3 will be 2 into 2. That will be equals to 8. Then some more examples. Let us suppose seventh one is 125 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. So this can be written as 125 5 into 5 into 5 whole power 1 upon 3. Now this can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 upon 3. So 3 से 3 cancel. Now 5 power minus 1. Now this can be written as in positive exponent 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1, that is 1 upon 5. This is your answer. So these were the some application on the basis of laws of exponent. Now we will take some more questions. Find the value of 64 whole upon 25 whole raised to the power minus 3 upon 2. See, here base is 64 upon 25. So we can return this 64 upon 25 as 8 into 8 whole upon 5 into 5 whole power minus 3 upon 4. So now this can be written as 8 square whole upon 5 square whole power minus 3 by 4. So it will be equals to 8 upon 5 whole square into minus 3 by 4. So this will be cancelled out as 3 by 2. So this can be written as 8 upon 5 whole power minus 3 upon 2. So in positive exponent it can be written as 8 power minus 3 by 2 whole upon 5 raised to the power minus 3 upon 2. It can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 upon 2 whole upon 8 raised to the power 3 upon 2. So now 5 raised to the power 3 by 2 as it is. Denominator में 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 whole power 3 by 2. So this will be written as 5 raised to the power 3 by 2 whole upon 2 raised to the power 9 by 2. So this is the answer. Let us take some more examples. Simplify the following. Question number second. First part 625 whole raised to the power minus 1 by 4. So first of all we will write in positive exponent. So it can be written as if a raised to the power minus m, then it can be written as 1 upon a raised to the power m. So using this property we can write it as 625 whole raised to the power positive 1 by 4. Now it can be written as 1 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 whole raised to the power 1 by 4. It can be written as 5 raised to the power 4 whole power 1 by 4. So now power on power, power will be multiplied. So 4 se 4 cancel out, remaining is 1 upon 5. One more example. Find the value of 256 whole upon 81 whole raised to the power 5 upon 4. So how we can write 256? So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64 and 64 4 ja 256. Here 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 9, 3 9 3 ja 27, 3 ja 81. So 256 can be written as 4 multiply itself by 4 times and 81. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 3 ja 81 and whole power 5 by 4 as it is. Now this can be written as 4 raised to the power 4 whole upon 3 raised to the power 4 whole upon 5 by 4. Now this can be written as 4 upon 3 whole power 4 whole power 5 by 4. So now power on power. So 4 upon 3 whole power 4 into 5 by 4. 4 se 4 cancel. So remaining is 4 upon 3 whole power 5. This is the answer. So it was about the laws of exponent and its application. In next video we will do some more examples.